Every year, something kills and maims thousands of women in the country. Young and old, rich or poor, no one is spared. Every year, unsafe abortion hospitalization are twice as many as women who get tuberculosis. Unsafe abortion is the sixth highest cause of morbidity. If the government were to track it, there are effective and safe procedures. But abortion is illegal here under any condition. Because of ridicule and insults, women who need help are left in the dark.